Over here, you can see that I have an image, and if I were to go around and add, let's say, for example, some shapes in it. So let me just go around, draw out some shapes right here, move it out. So I can go around and save this out. By going into File and by going into Save, you can go around and select a folder of your choice, like your desktop right here. And then you can go around and name the file according to how you want. So I'm just going to go around and name it as TutorTube example right here. So if I were to go around and make further changes to this, so you can see that file is here. But if I were to go around right here, make further changes to this right here, and go to File and Save, then what happens is that it says apply the transformation. Let me apply it. And it saves it back onto this same file. But sometimes what you may want to do is you may want to have this copy right here. Let's say you make some changes over here just like this, and then apply this. You don't want to overwrite it onto this particular project. So in that case, what you can do is you can save this project out as another file right here. So to do that, you can go to the File menu and click on Save As. So once you do that, you can go around over here and you can see that you can type in, let's say, TutorTube example 2 right here, press Save, and that gets saved out as another copy right here. So you can see that the file name opened up over here changes out as well. So if I were to go around onto File, onto Open, then you can go around and select it, click on Open, and you can see that this is what you have right here. So you got the new version of the file and the previous version as well. And that is how you can work around with the Save As option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.